So let's have a chat about how to make money as a franchisor. When you franchise your business, you have multiple revenue streams. The first revenue stream that you get is the influx of cash. The influx comes from when you sell your franchise package. Now, if it is a physical service, product delivery, that might be with territories. So you might sell a territory. If it's an online, it might just be the package that people are then going to go and use to be their business. So you sell your franchise package first up. That's your first revenue stream. Second revenue stream is your monthly management service fee. This is the amount that people pay you to be able to keep delivering your service. It can be a fixed amount, or it can be a percentage of their income, their turnover, or it could be a combination of both. Then we have marketing levy, and there are lots of different types of levy, but marketing levy is the most common one. Marketing levy is where you charge a % of total annual turnover, and that builds up your national marketing or branding pot so that you can grow the business. And then if you sell any kind of merchandise or uniform or anything like that that needs to be bought through you from the franchisees, that is an additional revenue stream as well. So there's lots of different ways that you can make money within franchise as a franchisor. And these are just some of the levies and avenues that are available to you.